What's up, what's up? How's everyone? Welcome to FUNboxing with Gami. Today we'll be opening up a box of, actually figure I ordered Alita Battle Angel. Hot Toys, the 1/6 scale figure. I ordered this off of Sideshow Collectibles. I did monthly installments, payments, so finally got it in after my 5th payment, 4th or 5th, something like that. But anyway, let's begin into the unboxing of this. Okay, so I cut off the tape. Let's open this baby up, shall we? This cardboard out of the way. Look at that. It's about to come out. Oh, oh, wrong way. Shit. Oh, Allah. Anyway, stuck. Gotta be careful. Don't wanna. Oh, look at all shiny and everything. Well, this is the from Hot Toys presents the movie masterpiece series, the Alita Battle Angel 1/6 scale series figure. Like this will open. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Oops. I'll take her out of the box and get a better look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Casting. Right. Instruction manual. How to assemble her, or how to take a closer look at her accessories. You see her boots. Look at her toes. There more accessories on this side. See her hands. Of course, her heart. The sword that she wields. Of course, on her left is her combat gear. Yes, very nice, very beautiful figure. Of course, beneath the figure itself is the base that Alita will be standing on. Here's the base. Here's some like part of a wall, and then here's like the stand, so you can stand up Alita on this base. Well, I got Alita out of the box and I kind of switched out the hands and put the sword in her. Here it is, coming at ya. There's a closer detail. Look at her toes. I don't know how much posability she has, but it looks like she has like I don't know, lots of articulation. Oh, I like that pose. Anyway, just take a look at her combat gear here. Put her aside for a bit. So Here's her top. Look at the detail. It's made out of like supposed to be like simulate leather, but it's kind of vinyl. Look, I love how they got the details. You see like the little zipper there, so you can easily put on Alita. Yeah, I'll do that later. But yeah, this is one gorgeous figure. I gotta say, this is my first collectible figure from Sideshow Collectibles. I saw that they have a Joel and Ellie from Last of Us that's due out in March of next year. So you can guarantee I'm gonna get those two figures. Yeah, very awesome. Very great for the price. I don't know why I did that. But look more in detail. Look, can show the back side. Look at. Okay, so I'll probably next thing I'll show you is her on the stand, how she looks on her base. Okay, hold on. Well, thank you for watching another unboxing video, FUNboxing video. I'm your host Gami, and today was Alita from Alita Battle Angel. Please remember, please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like. See you in the next video. Aloha.